In this video, I'll show you how to set a trailing stop loss on Webull options step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To set a trailing stop loss on the Webull mobile app, open the Webull app and log in to your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Assets icon, located in the bottom center of the screen. This will open your positions page, where you can see all the stocks you currently own. From the list of your positions, tap on the stock you want to set the trailing stop loss for. This will open the stock details page, showing the chart in the upper section, and order options at the bottom section of the screen. Tap on the Close button, located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Since a trailing stop loss is a sell order, you must access it through the Sell section. Once the order screen opens, look for the Order Type section, which is usually set to Limit by default. Tap on the Order Type option located near the middle of the screen. A menu will slide up from the bottom. From the list of order types, select Trailing Stop. After selecting it, the order form will update automatically. Now you will see the Trail Amount section. Here you can choose whether to set the trailing stop by dollar amount or percentage. To switch between dollar and percentage, tap on the $ icon located to the right side of the trail input box. It will toggle between dollar and percent. Enter your desired trailing amount in the input field. For example, type the dollar amount or percentage directly into the box located in the center of the screen. Next, go to the Quantity section just below the Trail Amount field. Enter the number of shares you want to apply this trailing stop to. You can manually type the number, or use the All option on the right side if you want to include all shares. Below that, check the Time in Force section. On mobile, trailing stops are typically set to day, which is displayed near the lower part of the order form. After filling in all required fields, tap the Sell button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation screen will appear, showing the stock name at the top, the order type as trailing stop in the middle, and your trail amount and quantity details below it. Carefully review the information displayed on this confirmation page. If everything is correct, tap the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Once submitted, your trailing stop order will appear in the Open Orders section. To view it, go back to the main Assets page and tap on the Open Orders area, located near the lower section of the screen. You will see the order listed with the order type labeled as Trailing Stop. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.